In a vast, sun-drenched savanna, 5 bulls grazed peacefully under the watchful eye of a majestic tiger. The unusual companions had formed an unexpected alliance, their coexistence defying the laws of the wild. The bulls, with their massive frames and strong horns, shared a camaraderie that transcended their species. They moved in unison, their synchronized grazing a testament to the bond they had developed. The tiger, sleek and powerful, patrolled the perimeter, its amber eyes alert to any potential threat. One day, a distant roar echoed through the savanna, signaling the approach of a rival tiger. The 5 bulls, sensing danger, huddled together while their striped companion paced with a mix of caution and determination. The rival tiger emerged, its imposing presence sending shivers through the grass. A tense standoff ensued as the 2 tigers faced off, their growls reverberating across the landscape. The 5 bulls, however, stood their ground, forming a protective barrier around their feline friend. It was a remarkable display of unity, the unlikely alliance refusing to yield to the territorial dispute. As the rival tiger circled, sizing up the situation, the original tiger let out a deafening roar, a declaration of solidarity with its bovine companions. The resounding roar echoed through the savanna, momentarily intimidating the intruder. Unexpectedly, the rival tiger, recognizing the strength in numbers and the bond between the unusual allies, conceded defeat. With a begrudging nod, it turned and retreated into the depths of the wilderness, leaving the savanna to its newfound harmony. The 5 bulls resumed their grazing, and the tiger resumed its watchful patrol. The unlikely alliance had not only thwarted a potential threat, but also forged a unique friendship that defied the conventions of the wild. In this corner of the savanna, 5 bulls and a tiger lived as a testament to the power of unity and the extraordinary bonds that can form in the most unexpected places.